Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that in traditional Chinese philosophy, yin and yang are complementary forces that are interconnected and interdependent in the natural world, representing the dualistic nature of existence? Yin is associated with qualities like darkness, cold, passivity, and femininity, while yang is associated with qualities like light, heat, activity, and masculinity. This concept explains the constant flux and balance of opposing forces in the universe, where everything consists of both yin and yang aspects that can transform into each other. In traditional Chinese medicine, health is viewed as a state of balance between yin and yang within the body, while illness is seen as an imbalance or disharmony between these forces. Treatment aims to restore the balance of yin and yang to promote health and well-being. When there is an insufficiency of both yin and yang, various health issues can arise according to traditional Chinese medicine (TCM). For instance, yin deficiency with yang excess can lead to symptoms like night sweats, hot flashes, insomnia, anxiety, and restlessness, despite a feeling of heat in the body. Conversely, yang deficiency with yin excess may cause cold limbs, aversion to cold, low energy, slow metabolism, and excessive mucus or fluids, resulting in a cold and damp feeling. A severe deficiency of both yin and yang can result in chronic fatigue, low immunity, cold extremities, digestive issues, and hormonal imbalances. Specific organ deficiencies also reflect this dynamic. For example, an imbalance in the kidneys can lead to lower back pain, weak knees, frequent urination, sexual dysfunction, and feeling cold all the time. Deficiencies in the spleen and stomach can manifest as poor digestion, bloating, fatigue after eating, weak muscles, and loose stools. Heart issues can cause palpitations, insomnia, anxiety, and a feeling of emptiness or lack of joy. Liver problems can result in irritability, mood swings, dry eyes, blurred vision, and headaches. Yang deficiency in the heart may include symptoms like palpitations, shortness of breath, cold extremities, and a pale complexion. Moreover, lung issues can manifest as a dry cough, dry throat, hoarseness, and susceptibility to respiratory infections. Problems in the spleen and stomach can cause poor appetite, bloating after eating, fatigue, loose stools, and a feeling of cold in the abdomen. Imbalances in the bladder can lead to frequent urination, urinary urgency, nocturia, waking up at night to urinate, and incontinence. Gallbladder issues may include indecision, timidity, resentment, bitterness, and difficulty making decisions. These examples illustrate the intricate balance needed for optimal health in TCM, where restoring harmony between yin and yang is central to treatment.